Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cocktail chili fry. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 500 grams of chicken cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, finely chop 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers of different colors, and 3 green chilies for a good kick. Don't forget to marinate your chicken with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper for about 15 minutes. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your marinated chicken pieces. Cook them thoroughly, stirring occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the cooked chicken from the pan and set it aside, keeping the flavorful pan drippings. With the chicken set aside, it's time to build the incredible flavor of your chili fry. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed, then sauté your chopped onions, bell peppers, and green chilies until they soften slightly, about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir well, then add 1/4 cup of chicken broth and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Finally, bring everything together for that perfect cocktail chili fry. Return the cooked chicken pieces to the pan with the sauce and vegetables. Toss everything gently to ensure the chicken is thoroughly coated in the delicious, spicy sauce. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro before serving hot with rice or noodles. For more great cooking tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your amazing homemade chili fry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.